Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create coming soon page in Shopify store. Firstly, before that you need to enable password protection to keep the message short, exciting and friendly. Now, once password protection is enabled, you can make your coming soon page look on brand. Just go to online store, then themes. Find your current theme and click customize. In the theme editor, open the drop-down menu at the top and select others, then password. Here, you can edit the visual parts of your coming soon page. Header, upload your store's logo and adjust its size. Body, add an announcement, email sign-up form or background images. Footer, include your contact info or social media icons. And if you're using a 2.0 Shopify theme like Dawn, you can add sections from other pages, such as a collection showcase, newsletter sign-up or contact form directly onto the coming soon page. Once your design is ready, click the Save in the top right corner and preview your coming soon page by visiting your store's domain. And visitors will now see your custom coming soon message and any added elements. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.